mother zebra stands with an exhausted body while her newborn foal begins to move slowly. The tiny calf lies on the ground, still too weak to stand. Trembling, it tries for the first time to get on its feet. But that tender moment suddenly turns into danger. Silently, a lion approaches. In a flash, it lunges at lightning speed. Within seconds, the lion grabs the helpless foal with its powerful paws and begins dragging it away. The baby struggles weakly while the mother zebra cries out in panic. The lion moves off with its prey, and the mother zebra can only watch helplessly as it disappears into the distance.